Hello and welcome everyone on our Smart Guys channel. I am Mansul and today I am in front of you all to introduce my new YouTube channel, that is Smart Guys Jet, and this is my first video on YouTube, and I hope you all support me and like, share and subscribe my channel, and you may give me reviews about my videos in the comment sections. And before I tell further about my YouTube channel, I would like to thank you to YouTube platform. Gradually it's going to be a huge platform learning, and everyone can learn knowledgeable things from this platform and they can share their knowledge as well. So as I have shared in the starting that my name is Anshul, and today I'm going to tell you why did I start this channel and which kind of videos you will get on this channel. Actually, I have been watching others videos on YouTube related to tips and tricks for computer and some more knowledgeable facts, but I found that those tricks doesn't used to work in reality, and they just used to make those videos just to gain more subscriber and views. So I found that none of them were best for others. Therefore I thought, why not to start a YouTube channel where people can learn easily, even quickly, and they can find knowledgeable videos, tips and tricks related to education and how to learn English in easy way. And I decided, let's make this YouTube a huge platform of learning. So finally I have started a Smart Guide channel which will provide you various videos with genuine facts and knowledge. And now I would like to tell you about my content briefly, that we will provide you all complete series of English spoken plus grammar that will be useful for you all, and we will provide it by the way of presentation, and it will be like practical, and that will help you to understand very quickly, as most of the students do not like just only theory, and although I also don't like. We will provide you computer knowledge from basic to advanced, and in this it will include theoretical and practical for the web designing course plus Java course, how to build a website and how to bring more traffic to the website. I will bring this course soon. I will upload technical videos on this channel, like how to hack others' phone, but it must be ethical. There will be a lot of videos related to technical, and the important point is career guidance. That is really helpful to students. We will bring videos related to career guidance that will guide students about their career. There will be inspirational videos as well, case studies of richest people, millionaire, billionaire who have been successful, so that everyone can learn something new. They can learn from their experiences. And if you all like my videos, so you can subscribe it. I would like to conclude these videos. So I hope you all like this channel and our efforts for making videos for you all. These videos will be very short because it's just a brief introduction about my YouTube channel, and soon I will try to bring phrases and vocabularies every day. So this was a brief introduction about my YouTube channel, and now I just would like to say, as in the between of video I said, if you like my videos only then you subscribe it. So यार मजाक कर रहा था, please subscribe जरूर कर देना. And one more thing I would like to say, this channel is appropriate for all ages, because on this channel we will share our learning that will be helpful for everyone. So thank you everyone.